Okay, ladies and gents, in this video we're going to configure a Syslog server in Cisco's packet tracer. So the first thing we're going to do is to pick a server to which we will assign a meaningful name such as Syslog server, and we will also pick a router that will act as the client in this scenario. We will connect the two devices with a copper straight through cable. Fast forward the time a little bit, and then we will begin with the configuration of the Syslog server. So we will open it up, go to config, assign it a static IPv4 address such as 192.168.1.100, and go with the default subnet mask of 255.255.255.0. Then we will switch over to the services, navigate to Syslog, and make sure that the service is enabled. Now we'll move over to the router, and similarly we will assign an IPv4 address to the appropriate interface. We'll give it a 192.168.1.1, and since the default subnet mask again is /24, essentially it means that this router, or at least this router's interface, is going to be in the same network as the interface of the Syslog server. So now we'll go over to the CLI of the router, and we can see that we are already in configuration mode for the interface that is going to communicate with the Syslog server. We'll just run a shutdown to bring up the interface. We will exit from there, and then we will need to configure the Syslog server to which the router will be pointing. So we will do logging 192.168.1.100, which is the IP address of the Syslog server. Press enter, and then we will also run logging trap debugging. Okay, I will exit configuration mode, make sure that I can ping the Syslog server, which I do. Okay, great. And to make sure that the Syslog server is now set up and running and that the router is sending log messages to the said server, we will open up the server, go to Syslog, and then bring the window to the right hand of the screen. We will drag the entire infrastructure over to the left a little bit. We will open up the router, and I will go back into config mode and into an interface that I am not currently using, such as this one. And if I do a shutdown and then no shut, we can see on the right hand side of the screen that a message just popped up on the Syslog server with the IP address of our router, which is the client in this case. If I exit configuration mode, we see that more Syslog messages are being sent to the Syslog server. So we have now verified the Syslog server's functionality, and we know that the Syslog service has been configured successfully. Thank you very much for watching.